Hey guys, welcome to Tony's Outsies. In this video, I'll show you how to shorts upload in YouTube. So this is gonna be a very easy one. So there's actually two ways for us to do this. So the first way is via your mobile device and via your PC. So I'll be showing you both ways. So let's get started. So for you to upload your shorts via your mobile device, the first thing that you need to do here is you want to open up your YouTube application. Now in your YouTube application, you should be able to see the plus button at the bottom center of your screen. So just click on that. And from here, you want to click on create a short. So for you to create or upload your shorts, you could basically start recording here, or you could actually upload your video. So just click on the bottom left of your screen, that's where your gallery is, and from here you'll be able to choose the video that you want to use. So for example, we want to use this video here. So you could actually arrange the length of this video. So you do have to be informed that for shorts, there's actually a limit of 60 seconds. So as you can see at the top right, it's set to 15 seconds right now. But when we click on it, it's going to set to be 60 seconds. So there's a 60-second limit for YouTube Shorts. So once there, just click on the done button once you've edited the length of your video here. So you could adjust the length via the ends of the video itself. As you can see, I can make it shorter or even longer if I want to. Now here, just click on done to go to the next UI. Now in the next UI, you could start recording the rest of your video. So if you want to flip your camera, just click on flip. And if you want to use a sound for this one, for this recording, just click on add a sound. But yeah, there's a lot of tools that you could basically use here. You could even add your green screen and other stuff here. But once you're satisfied, just click on the check button that you see at the bottom right of your screen. And from there, you just need to edit it. So from here, you can add your sound, your text, voiceover, and even adjust the timeline and add filters. So if you want to add text, just click on text. And from here, you could just basically type in anything that you want to say. So for example, you want to say, hey, and just click on done. So from here, you could just reposition it into your screen here and basically add your sound if you want to here. For example, we want to add this one. And from here, you just need to click on the arrow and you'll be able to add that sound. Now from here, you could basically add the volume or just the volume here if you want to. So this is the original sound as well as the sound for your music. So let's just go back here and yeah. So once you're satisfied with every edit that you did here, just click on next at the top right of your screen. Now here you just need to adjust your details. So you have the title, so make sure you add your title there as well as the visibility. So our visibility is going to be private at first, so make sure that you make this public if you want to. And let's just go back. So also there's a section that says schedule. So if you want to schedule the publishing of this video, you could basically set it here. So we just want to publish this now. And yeah, going back, we also have the location, which is basically adding the location for this video and as well the select audience. So you could actually select this for kids if it's actually appropriate for kids. So there's a difference for kids and the normal YouTube or normal shorts here. So make sure to read over that. And yeah, also we have the shorts remixing here. So if you want to allow that, you could just basically set it here. And also if this is actually a paid promotion, if you want to add your label there, you could go ahead and do that. And here you could also have the comment section, which actually differs. So you could actually add filters to it. So you have allow all comments, hold potentially inappropriate comments if you want to do that. And also have hold all comments for review and disable comments if you want to. But yeah, once you're satisfied, just click on upload short and it's basically going to upload your short via your mobile device. Now for you to upload shorts via your PC, the only thing that you need to do here is you want to go to youtube.com and look for the camera plus icon you see at the top right next to the notification button. So just click on the create button here and you want to upload video. So the cool thing with YouTube is it's actually going to determine if it's a short or a ordinary video on YouTube. So if your video is under 60 seconds, then it's going to actually automatically determine that it is a short. So just click on select files here to start your upload. So for this example, we want to choose any video that we have right now on our PC and basically use that as a sample. So now, to guarantee that we'll be uploading this video as a short, I would suggest you to add in the description the following, which is going to be a £, and just type in shorts here. So once we've done that, you just need to add this one. And from here, same thing what we did on mobile. You just need to edit or the details that you have here. So it's going to ask you if it's for kids, show more, and there's the same thing, same information that we'll be adding into our shorts, the same thing that we have on our mobile. So just fill up the details here and choose the appropriate one. And once you're done, the next thing that you need to do here is you just need to click on the next button that you see at the bottom right of your screen. So here we have the video element. So if you want to add a card, so you can go ahead and do that. Now here we have the checks. So it's going to check for copyright. From here, just click on next again. And from here, it's going to ask for the visibility. So for this video, we're just going to use private for this one. And from here, just click on save. And that's about it. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, you could use the link in the description to subscribe. See you in the next video.